Rustling in the morning after. That is the view from the earth. The sun is just coming up. So this is the morning and we are beginning our trek to Kel Suu Lake now, and it'll be 2.5 hours with this lady right here. And it's getting warmer since the sun is out. Okay, the view of the river, and this will be the first point of view of the mountains soon. The morning mountains. Yep.
Just beautiful.
Yeah. Go, and we are crossing the river now. Seems like it, but it's not, so we can cross the sides. And we are like around 15 minutes into walking now. This is what hiking is all about. Hey. Beautiful. Amazing, beautiful nature. Near the mountains and climbing down to the valley. Yeah, that is the pathway. It looks beautiful, people. On this small wooden plank. It's beautiful and adventurous. Now we have to climb up, and you can see the mountains. Beautiful. Begins. Flowing through. It's a bit cold here. Point of view, standing up, looking at the flowing river and the valley behind us. That's the terrain to go. Quite ups and downs. Nothing. The formation of the river. This is where it begins. And this is the view of the full valley. This is the mouth of the valley, and we are reaching the lake in 1 hour, I think. It was.
What?
It's 9:30. 1.5.
Okay, we're like super early. Maybe we could have left it later.
Breakfast. How beautiful. People, this is the Kal. It was a short 1.5 hour hike, and we have arrived at Kel Suu Lake. You can see the beautiful, most remote alpine lake in Kyrgyzstan, Kel Suu Lake, and we are going to the other end of this path. It is very beautiful. You can actually take a boat ride, which is around 20 minutes for $10 to $12. But yes, this is an amazing view of nature. Nothing beats this. Totally worth coming here. Now we are at the last end of the trek, and the views are majestic. The blue waters of Kel Suu Lake. Perfect. Highly recommended. This is our highest point of the hike. The most beautiful view.
I think this is like one of the most beautiful lakes I've seen so far.
We won't show her face, but you heard her voice. It is one of the most beautiful things she has, most beautiful lakes she has seen. And yes, it is. We are on a boat tour, and that cost us around 15 euros. That is 1500 som. It is 3 kilometers ride inside two places, and we are around 7 people on the boat. That's why he has oars.
Yeah. Lol. True.
Tastes good.
C'est papa. Papa. عمو. انت يا عبد.
I did.
Okay.
Kim? Kimke?
Track every time.
Again. Good, good. That was the boat.
Very good, very nice.
And now it's people now. Around 11 and we are heading back. The sun's position has changed and the views have changed. Mountains look different now. Beautiful clean river and brown mountains. That was a nice hike. The water is super pristine. And the view of the ice stuff on the mountains, glaciers, pretty. We are nearly there. We can see the yurt camp now, around 20 minutes away. It was a short hike. We're quite near our yurt camp. We stopped for a bit to go to this small waterfall, which is pretty, and we are like 10 minutes, 12 minutes away from